Hi guys, today I'm gonna do an unboxing for the Bremont Mark II. We do have the box which Bremont get us used with the nice box. We do have the Bremont logo on. We do have a nice little bag with the Bremont chronometers. And inside we do have the nice leather pouch, which I can say 100% it's leather. There we go. So now put the box away. So inside the pouch we do have the booklets, we do have the international warranty card, which they give like 3 years warranty, and we do have the booklet with the technical notes, how to change the strap. Put this down on the side. We do have the tool to change the strap. It does look like a fork on one side, and we do have a pin remover on the other side with the Bremont logo. Again, very useful, very handy tool. Made in England, and we have the watch. I'm gonna do a review of this watch. I got my first Bremont about 2 months ago, and I actually fall in love with the brand. They're so nice and so good build-up watches. We do have a see-through case at the back. We have the seconds at 9 o'clock, and the chronometer nice and firm buttons. We have the seconds and we have the minutes at 3 o'clock. Let me see if I can do closer. We have the Jaguar logo at 6 o'clock. We have the date at 6 o'clock. We have the Bremont logo at 12 o'clock. See if I can manage to do. We have the Jaguar logo on the crown. This watch is 100-meter water resistant. We have Bremont logo on the buckle. Beautiful, beautiful leather strap. Nice and strong. Very nice build up. It is 43mm case. Gonna stop the chronograph. Just gonna set it back on. We have automatic logo and London at 6 o'clock. The case is nice and polished. We have the crown at 3 o'clock with the first push. We can set up the date, and the second push is gonna set up the time. It is 49.7mm log to log, and it's 22mm log width. Absolutely love this watch. I'm gonna fit the watch on my wrist, which is, I think it's 17mm. The shape of the rotor, it's like Jaguar E-type steering wheel. absolutely lovely watch. Thank you very much for watching.